Okay, so you can see what the camera is filming right there with this monitor on the rotor head in the back of us. See that? It's on the tail rotor in the back of the helicopter looking forward. And I can do the inside of that's in the cockpit here with us. So you can wave at the camera and then back out to the outside.
Edit this down when we get back to the...
Yeah, you'll have to do the editing. We'll give you the raw footage. All right, here we go. Do it again. Up, and then push it over. I'm going to do a loop. I'll do a split S. Go straight up. 45-degree angle climb, 60 knots, roll it upside down, and then pull her back.
That's basically just a loop with a twist, something like that?
Yeah. I'm going to do it again, and I'll put the camera on the inside. We're going to do turn it around with this half Cuban 8. That's a roll, and then you roll out of it. Now I'll go straight into another roll, because I got the camera on the inside now. I want you to see it from in here. There's a roll up. And then we'll loop it. I'll go right into a split S. Come right out of this, go right back up. Go 45-degree angle up, side down, and then we're back.
That's something else.
You doing all right?
Yeah, doing good.
Very good. All right, we'll stop with that. Yep.
That's actually pretty smooth.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That boat that got washed up right there.
Look at that.
Man, oh man.
That's probably been there a while too.
Probably since a hurricane.
I bet that's right.
Papa Kilo, turn right on golf, contact ground point 6.
No bummer.
Golf 65. Departure from your present position will be at your own risk. Departing from uncontrolled movement area, proceed as requested. Either remain north or south of final.
Okay, thanks a lot. I'll go north of it.
Roger.
Tower Rocket 414, 3 down and lock to 2 miles on final for low approach.
Rocket 414, Panama City Tower, runway 14, cleared for the option.
Rocket 414, clear for the option, runway 14.
Okay, what are we gonna do? We got here over this vacant land over here, empty land. Okay, and then we'll do it.
is with you. We are 10 DME out. On the localizer 14, circle runway 32. We'd like to circle east of the field.
Okay, are you ready?
Hold on just a moment. All right, let me know kind of what we're going to do before we do it.
All right, I'll do a roll on the first one. Yeah, we're going to go like this. All right, okay.
Go ahead.
Ready? Yeah.
Okay, circle east for right downwind to 32. Sir, is there any chance we can get the southwest?
Okay, here we go. All right.
Left downwind to runway 32.
Yeah, you can circle southwest for the left.
Woo!
And we'll give you a call at the final approach fix.
That's different.
Yeah, it is.
Looking good on the old viewfinder. Good deal.
All right. I will do a loop now.
All right.
Terminal 756 Alpha, Panama City Tower. Report in the vicinity of the power plant for a right downwind to runway 32.
Oh!
No, report the power plant for right entry to downwind 32, 756 Alpha.
Okay, now do a split S.
756 Alpha, correction, report the...
We go up,
Bailey
climb
Way,
45-degree angle,
downwind to
wait for 60 knots, there it is, roll it upside down,
Bridge to the left downwind.
and then pull her back around.
756 Alpha.
Rocket 414, climb out as instructed, contact Tyndall.
Tower rocket 414 executing climb out distraction.
Go to half Cuban 8 now.
Okay, just a second. Let me reset something.
All right.
Hold on. We'll do it anyway.
Executing climb out distraction.
Yes, sir, change to departure, Rocket 414.
Okay, Chuck, we're ready. What are we gonna do here?
Okay, I'll do another roll.
All right.
All right, here we go. You want my face in the sun when I do it?
That would help. Not really. I'm filling it with this, so
All right, good,
just do whatever.
All right, good. I like it better in the shade.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. All right, here we go.
Go ahead.
Red Bull 33 Hotel, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles, Seminole,
Oh, yeah.
4,000 feet, inbound for a downwind to runway 14.
Wait to do that one more time. That looked really good, but
Hang on a second. Was that for Red Bull? Do it again?
yeah, when you're ready.
Okay. I thought you said something to me. Okay, ready? Here we go.
Go ahead.
Up. Here we go. Over.
Yeah. I think we got it. You can head back.
Okay.
Excellent.
Perfect.
Uh-oh.
If anybody asked you, that was at 1,500 feet, okay?
Oh, well, no, I put in my own words, but thanks.
Okay.
And I know where we're at, roughly speaking.
Oh. I mean, we're 1,500 feet above the ground is what
Yeah,
I'm saying.
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I would have asked you or just looked at the altimeter at some
Yeah.
point.
And Tower Pensacola, this is Red Bull Helicopter 133 Echo Hotel.
Helicopter 133 Echo Hotel, Panama City Tower.
Yes, sir. I'm north west of you, inbound for landing, please, about 5 miles.
Helicopter 133 Echo Hotel, roger. Proceed direct to the airport. Plan runway 23 for now, the wind 20010.
All right, sir.
Chuck, my father worked on military aircraft. He was in the Army National Guard, worked on Hueys, everything around that vintage.
Yeah, right on.
Never got to fly inverted. I'm pretty darn sure.
No, I guarantee you didn't.
Yeah.
I'm the only one that's certified to do it in the U.S.
Well, I mean, what I was wondering, are there like Apache pilots or they don't? I mean, even goofing off, can they loop an Apache?
They could.
Seminole 56 Alpha, roger.
There's only one guy in the Army that's...
Initiate helicopter at 1 o'clock, 2 miles.
He's actually not even in the Army. He's a Boeing test pilot. His name's Rich Lee. He's the chief experimental test pilot for Boeing.
Okay.
That manufactures the Apache, and he loops and rolls them.
Okay.
But he's the only one that's authorized.
If you go to Fort Rucker and you do that, you probably flunked flight school then.
Oh yeah.
Seminole 56 Alpha, right.
Well, I wasn't really sure when they. I mean, I realize you're the only civilian, but I didn't know if that meant that there were.
Yeah, I'm
you
the
know,
only civilian
all the-
certified one. Yeah.
Okay. Now, are you going to be back at the Tyndall Air Show this month? Flying this time?
I did it last year.
Yeah, I was there on the crowd last year and shot it. So I had the video from last year doing the loops and all that from the ground. So we'll just pull that file footage and run with this. So that'll work fine.
Perfect. Perfect.
Grade 6 on left base, gear down. Option.